Hello everybody and welcome to my first Christmas junk journal of the season. I'm going to be giving this junk journal away for my 5,000 subscriber giveaway. But before I give you all the details on that, I want to show you the journal. I did make this journal live at the end of last month. I'm going to get back to making live videos, but I did make this whole journal live from cover to decoration. Everything was done live. I will link that playlist. It was a whole playlist. I'll link that whole playlist at the end of this video so you can check it out if you want. It's pretty long. This journal took quite a while to make, but it was a lot of fun. And it was really fun to interact with everybody who would show up live every day or catch the repeat video. You could always watch it again. It's always going to be on my YouTube channel. So this journal was a lot of fun to make, and happy it's going to be going to one of you guys, a very lucky subscriber. I'm going to be giving this journal away to the subscriber that gets the comment, that makes a comment and gets the most like on the comment. So you have to share the video with your friends and get them to vote for you in order for you to win. Vote for your comment, I should say. So this journal here has a lot of printables from my shop. I actually made this with the Christmas list junk journal. And I'll go ahead and leave a link down below. Right now I am having a sale in my shop. It is 50% off orders of $50. So your $50 order ends up being $25. And that's going to be going on through the end of the year. I am celebrating that I have moved to my very own private Etsy store. That's also from my shop. I moved to my very own Etsy store. It's still on Etsy. You can still contact me the same way. And you can always get your files the same way through Etsy. It's just my items are no longer on Etsy.com. They're on my own private Etsy store that you can access through TsunamiRose.net. You'll be directed to my Etsy store from TsunamiRose.net. And I'm really excited. I do want to thank everybody for their support on my sale and for just supporting me overall throughout the years. I've been very blessed and very fortunate to have been embraced by the junk journal community. And I mean, before I was, just designing junk journals, and I do thank you guys for supporting my YouTube channel, because when I started making junk journals myself, I started really putting in more effort in my YouTube channel. And that's grown to 5,000 subscribers now, so I am super excited about that also. Just everything is going good. Everything is great. I'm so happy that you guys support me. And if you guys follow me on my social media, lately you saw that at the beginning of the month I went to San Antonio to visit my family. And lately all I've been doing is I've been designing new things. I'm going to be doing an update every week on new items in my store here on my YouTube channel. And lately I have been playing Fallout 76. I'm so excited about that game. If you guys don't play video games, it's the one video game I like. I don't really like any other video games, but man, that Fallout is pretty sweet. So I've been doing a lot of that, but I'm going to get back to work, and I'm going to go back to being live. I'll be live on Monday. This Monday, I'm going to be going live, starting a new junk journal live with you guys. I'm going to be doing the Jane Austen Christmas collection, which if you haven't checked that out, I do have a video showing off that collection, of course. I'm going to link it to the end of this video, and also there'll be a link down in the description down below. And yeah, I'm going to start doing them again Monday. This coming Monday at 9 p.m. I'm going to start doing them at night, just because after the whole day, it's just when I have time right now. So I would appreciate if you guys would join me for some more fun live journal making. It's a slow process, but I mean, that's just how it is. I'm not speeding it up. It's, real life real slow. You know what I'm saying? That's just how it is. So this junk journal was a lot of fun to make. And I did a lot of sewing. Everything pretty much is sewed on where it can be. And I used a lot of die cuts from my mystery box. They sold out, but I will be having them throughout the year. I just got to get them ready and cut out. But I'll be having them throughout the year if you guys want to get them for next year. Or if you guys are already getting a head start. I don't know. Some people make Christmas stuff all year long. Okay, so the journal here has a pocket. That's really fun. That was really fun to make. And some more Christmas ephemera there. And yeah, that's my first Christmas junk journal of the year that I will be giving away to one lucky subscriber who makes a comment and gets the most likes. So that's one way that you can join in on my 5,000 subscriber giveaway. I'm also going to be giving away these beauties here, which if you haven't seen my video on the French Classifieds junk journal, that's this one right here, and that's one lucky winner that's going to be getting this also. These journals I made early on in the winter, at the very end of summer, and they're slightly imperfect. They're not my favorite. They're not up to par for selling to me, so I'm going to be giving these away. They're perfectly good journals. They're just, I don't know what it is about them. The cover, it's not thick enough for me. These, I started making them out of the game board covers, and they're super thick. And these are just chipboard that I covered in fabric. And I think it needs to be sturdier than these, so I'm not making them this way anymore. But I'm going to be giving these away. These are in a video somewhere. I'll leave a link down below so you can see what they are. But these 4 journals here, I am going to be actually giving away 6 prizes. So this is the main prize for the YouTube comment with the most likes. I'm also going to be giving away this junk journal to another YouTube, what am I doing? Let's see here. Yes, so 2 junk journals. Okay, yeah. So this one I'm also going to be giving away to a random commenter on YouTube. This one also going to go to a random commenter on YouTube. And these 2 junk journals are going to be given away by liking my Facebook page through the RAFFLECOPTER link that's going to be down below in the video description. And then I'm also going to be giving away 1 mystery box to the 3rd winner from the RAFFLECOP giveaway. So that's 6 ways that you can win one of these journals if you are in the mood for that. Like I said, I'm celebrating 5,000 subscribers, giving away 5 junk journals and 1 mystery box. But, you know, celebrating 5. So I want to thank everybody again for subscribing and for watching my videos every week. I'm going to be making videos again, like I said, going live on Monday at 9 p.m. Here on my YouTube channel, and I'm going to be making 1 video on the weekends where I show off the actual junk journal finished off. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, I'm going to be giving away more stuff when I hit 6,000. Thanking you guys so much for your support and for helping me out every day. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys on Monday. Peace out. And this, I forgot to say, this contest will end December 2nd. I'll be announcing the winner, so watch out for that next week. I hope you guys enjoyed your holidays. Leave me a comment down below so that you might be one of the random winners, or go to my RAFFLECOPTER link down below and like my Facebook page. Thank you guys again. I'll just end it with that. Peace out, you guys.
Boo-boo, you want to say happy holidays, boo-boo? You want to say thank you to the subscribers, boo-boo? Look at the camera, boo-boo.